Hello everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are all keeping safe. On November 9th, 2020, we at Tally announced the launch of our much-awaited product, Tally Prime. Our intent with Tally Prime was to lay the foundation for the future. We brought a new look and feel to bring in greater simplicity and consistency so that learning the product would be even easier. We brought in greater flexibility to handle even more situations you face on a day-to-day basis, and greater power with new experiences and new insights. Over the last few months, we have seen tremendous feedback from you on what you have loved about Tally Prime and how we can make Tally Prime work even better for you. Your feedback has motivated us to lift the bar even higher. We improved our printing experiences, introduced a new display mode, improved the e-payment experiences in our banking capabilities, and continue to support you in your compliance needs with our connected e-invoicing capabilities. Today, it gives me tremendous pleasure to announce the latest release of Tally Prime. In this release, you will see life becoming dramatically simpler with a more connected product, and an even more powerful reporting experience leading you to greater insights. Now, Abhishek will take us through these experiences.
Thank you, Tejas. Hello everyone. I am very excited to present our latest release of Tally Prime and all that it has in store for you. So let us jump right into it. Tally has always been known for its powerful reporting capabilities. Even with more than 500 reports, it's never been enough. Our powerful drill down gets you from a report to the transaction. Comparison with our flexible columns makes analysis simple and fast. And filtering or adding various configurations all make Tally one of the most powerful reporting tools. Now, with the latest release of Tally Prime, any report you configure through filters, by adding columns or making any other change can now be saved for an unlimited number of custom views. Let us see this in action. Say, you sell on credit to your customers. A few of your customers may have delayed their payments even after the credit period. On a regular basis, you may want to know which customer is usually missing the due dates and not making payments on time. For this, you will use the Bills Receivables report. Here, you can make it ledger-wise and choose the aging method as due date. Enter the aging period based on the credit period you allow and save it. You can now see for each party which bills are overdue by how many days. Since you want this on a regular basis, simply click Save View or press Ctrl L. Tally Prime suggests a name for this view. You can alter it the way you want. Say, we call it My Ledger Wise Aging. Now let's close the report. Press Alt G or click on Go To. You can now see your saved view. Select this and wow! You can see that the report appears exactly as you had configured it. However, if you open Bills Receivables, the default view of the report will open. Instead of using a new name for your preferred view, you can also default it to the Bills Receivable report itself. For this, in your Change report, click Save View or press Ctrl L. Change the Set this as default view for this report to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save and close the report. Press Alt G or click Go To. Type or select Bills Receivables and press Enter. Now, the Bills Receivables report is set as per your preferred view. For any reason, you still want to open the default view of a report, just click Change View, select Show Original View and press Enter. You are done. So we have seen how you can personalize the view of a report for reuse. Now, let's go one step further and see how you can also save a view for other users. You may want to share a view with your CA or accountant, or they may want to share a view with you. For instance, you want to share your P&L with a quarterly comparison along with percentage with your CA for discussing the same. So, we open P&L, click on Auto Column or Alt N and choose the quarterly option. Then press F12 and set Show Percentages to Yes. While saving the view, Show Additional Configuration is automatically set to Yes since the report has a period-based configuration. Under Save View For, select the option This Company. Now, you can just share the company backup with your CA and he will be able to open the same view which you have configured. By default, the view is saved on the computer and can be accessed across companies. This is not all. You can save the reports with a specific context too. Let's assume you are the sales head of the North region and you only want to see data for that region. Let's say you have created North Sales as a group. You can go to Group Summary and just save the report for North Sales. Now, every time the report will open basis that. You can also add filters and save the view. For example, CAs may want to check cash transactions over a certain amount. They can just configure it accordingly and save it so that every time it just opens that way. I can go on and on, but I will move on and let you experience the magic of this new capability. In this latest release, we have also improved the browser access to Tally reports with more mobile-friendly viewing. All in all, you will have an extremely secure on-the-go reporting experience. Let's have a look. Once you have published which companies you want to share online, visit tallysolutions.com and simply use your tally.net credentials to log in. You will now see the companies that have been published and whether they are online or offline. This way, you can be 100% sure that the data is always secure in your control. Let us now select a company. This is the home page, the list of reports screen. Say you want to know your total sales and purchases till June 2021. Simply tap on Profit and Loss account to check for these values. But you prefer the horizontal view of the P&L. You can simply tilt the screen and you get a much more convenient horizontal view for this report. As you can see, this is a much nicer and friendlier experience to see your data on the move. You may also want to share your balance sheet with your business partner. Simply tap on the report title, select balance sheet, and now you can choose to download this as a PDF which you can share immediately. Looking at the daybook on a phone is not easy. Let's see how our new experience helps in this case. Simply tap on the report title and select Daybook. Your Daybook opens with clear information and you can just click the right or left arrows to change the dates. This is as convenient as analyzing your transactions. You may have received a call from a customer who wants to place an order for a laptop, for which you want to check your stock. Tap on the report title again, type in stock query and select the laptop you want to check the stock balance for. Even the most complex reports have been made easy to use and easy to read. We can't wait for you to try this new reporting experience and feel its power. Taking our connected capabilities to the next level, we have something very special for our GST registered customers in India. The new release brings with it a connected e-waybill experience, the way it should be done. Connected, compliant, and complete. Let us take a look. While creation of a sales transaction, towards the end, you will see an option to provide GST or e-waybill details. Once you set this to yes, you can enter the information needed to generate your e-waybill. Dispatch form and ship to will be pre-filled based on your company and party details. The distance is also pre-filled as the system has the intelligence based on the previous transaction you did with the same party. After filling the details, press Ctrl A to save and you will get a confirmation screen for the e-waybill generation. Say yes and then the e-waybill login screen appears in case you have not yet logged in. Once you log in, you will remain logged in for the next 6 hours provided you do not turn off your system. Tally Prime exchanges information with the e-waybill portal and once done, you get a confirmation message. Now, you can preview the invoice with the e-waybill details and the generated e-waybill with all relevant details and QR code. We understand that while managing e-waybills, you will be faced with diverse set of scenarios like cancelling an e-waybill, adding a part B later, or extending the validity of the e-waybill. The product completely adapts to all such cases in the entire life cycle of the e-waybill, giving you complete peace of mind. Let us take a look. Our e-waybill report that you can open from GoTo gives you one single place to manage this life cycle of all your e-waybills. Once you open the report, you will see your e-waybills nicely categorized based on their status, making it easier to take any action. The report will tell you if any of your e-waybill transactions have problems with the GST related information or with the e-waybill related information. If you tried to generate an e-waybill but for whatever reason it was rejected by the portal, you will be able to track this easily. Or if there are some transactions that are pending to be uploaded to the e-waybill portal, you will also find them here. In addition, you will be able to see all your generated e-waybills and also cancelled e-waybills. And even if there are e-waybills related transactions, but you chose to exclude them for some reason, will be shown here as well. Now let's see how can you take appropriate actions from here. Let us say, instead of using Tally Prime to generate your e-waybill, you directly use the portal for the same. All you need to do is press spacebar to select the transaction and press F6 or click on Get e-waybill info. The latest e-waybill information gets updated in the transaction just like that. All your reports will also now reflect the same. You may also need to cancel a generated e-waybill because, let's say, the consignment got cancelled. In the same report, you can drill down to the appropriate section, simply select the transaction and press F10 or click Cancel e-waybill. Give your reason and press Ctrl A to accept. You may not want to cancel this on the portal immediately. Whenever you decide to cancel it on the portal, you can simply go to the top bar, click on Exchange and select Send for e-waybill option. Here, you will see all the transactions that are pending to be sent to the e-waybill portal based on their status. Again, you can select one or more transactions or just click on Send to exchange all transactions with the e-waybill portal. As you can see, you don't have to necessarily generate the e-waybill while making your transaction. You can keep generating your e-waybills in bulk from here whenever you want. We also have an e-waybill register to see the complete list of all your e-way bill applicable transactions with their status. You can reach this by pressing F5 or simply clicking on e-way bill register. You can also act on any of these transactions from here. As I said earlier, there are other actions as well that can be taken from the e-way bill report, but the way you do it will be the same. Take the required action and then exchange it with the e-way bill portal if you want. Hope this was helpful and as exciting as it was for us to bring it to you. Thank you for your attention, and now over to Tejas.
Thanks, Abhishek. That was just amazing. I know me and our team already love using it. Even simpler, even more flexible, and even more powerful has now become even more connected too. Today, we are proudly announcing the general availability of this latest release of Tally Prime, Release 2. If you are a customer of Tally and have an active Tally Software Services subscription or TSS subscription, Tally Prime will come to you for free. If you are a customer who doesn't have an active TSS subscription, all you need to do is renew it and get the new product for free. And if you are not yet a customer of Tally and like what you see, please do reach out to your nearest Tally partner or visit us at tallysolutions.com or call us to see how it can help your business. After this session, we have organized deep dive walkthroughs of Tally Prime. You can click on the links shown on this site to attend these in the language of your choice. As we move ahead, we remain committed and excited to bring you the best technology innovations to help you run your business better. Thank you, stay safe, and stay healthy.